let me ask you something. Your last gala, the program book, where is it? I'll tell you where it is. It's in a landfill. Months of work, hundreds of hours of staff and volunteers, many awkward asks to your funders, gone, before the valet line cleared. And here's what nobody wants to admit to: that book cost you twice, once in money, once in goodwill. Because think about what you actually asked your sponsors to do. You asked the people who fund you and made the event possible to do homework, design an ad, approve it, fix the file if they did not follow the instructions to put it together, send it again until it meets your standards. And what did that ad even say? Congratulations to me on another great year. That's it. That's the return. A message that never leaves the ballroom. Dead on arrival. Because the answer is not less gratitude. The answer is bigger gratitude. Listen to this. That program book can be tailored to be your biggest publication of the year. So stop building a thank you booklet for yourself and start building it as your annual publication. Same event, same sponsors, same thank yous. But now your funders get celebrated inside the proof of what their support actually helped you achieve. That's not a program to be thrown away after the event. That's a document people keep. It will sit in lobbies and waiting rooms for 12 months. It contains a directory of all your partners. It lives on your website, where you can add a new funder in March, a new milestone in June, and a backlink to every organization that showed up for you. One piece. Working all year long, instead of just one night. Oh, and if you run more than one event a year, even better. Every single event feeds that same publication year-round. One book covers every event you had for the year. Every sponsor. Their support stops being a one-night gesture and starts becoming a year-long partnership. There's a structure that makes it work. Ask us about it. And the night itself? Project the supporters' logos on the venue walls. Put a table tent at every table. Use QR codes on doors, signage, and tables to provide additional support channels and program information. Done. Nobody will miss the program book. And now you're thanking your supporters 365 days. I know some of you love those books. Years of them in a box somewhere. I get it. I respect it. But your budgets are tighter than ever. I broke the whole process down. You can find more information and resources on our on-the-ground blog at influential.us. It is time to retire that program book and maximize the gratitude. See you on the next one.